What's up, guys? So we got all the RV6 parts and the borla exhaust loaded up in the truck in front of me. We're heading to the shop to get the car put up on a lift and install all that. So we're gonna have a full exhaust after today. We're gonna go from stock to pre-cats, J-pipe, double resonated mid-pipe, and the borla exhaust. So yep, that's what we're doing. Well, right now we're actually headed to Chick-fil-A, but we'll be heading to the shop, getting the car on a lift, taking off the exhaust, putting the new exhaust on. So yeah, I'll show you guys a couple steps throughout the whole process, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. What's up, guys? So I'm in the car. I just got, that's really bright, just got a bunch of bolt-ons put onto the car. We got the RV6 high flow pre-cats, J-pipe, and double resonated mid-pipe, and then we got the borla exhaust. All that's on the car now, so I figured I would just go out and record some clips of how it sounds just driving around. It's still pretty quiet. You can't really hear it too much, especially when you're not giving it the beans. You can't really tell that it's, God, that is so bright. You can't really tell that it's not stock, but when you get on it and open it up, it sounds pretty good. I think I just messed up the camera angle by smacking it into the door while vaping. It should be okay. We're mainly here for the sound, right? windows down. See how it sounds with the windows down? Sounds pretty fucking good. And I mean, it's all fresh on there, so I'm sure the sound will change a little bit over the next couple 100 miles or whatever, but it shouldn't be too different from what it's gonna be. You know, this is a good idea of what your exhaust will sound like if you get the same mods. If you get all the RV6 bolt-ons and a Borla exhaust, this is a good idea of what it'll sound like right after you put it on. So yeah, let me get one more good clip in with the windows up, and then I'll see you guys after that. I'll see you guys later. Whenever this light turns green, we can make some noise, and that'll be it for the video. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at SleeperCT2. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.